Hey, I'm Nadia Ray, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous teacup stand. This is going to add a touch of whimsy and playfulness to your table. It's DIY and it's so inexpensive to make. So all you're going to need is a teacup and saucer. I actually purchased this from a thrift store for $3, including the candelabra. You want your set to ideally be something vintage or really pretty looking, and a simple candelabra. You can use a candelabra with multiple stems coming off and put a teacup on each of them. It works just the same, and some super glue. You can fill this with flowers, with fresh fruit and berries, and it just adds such glamour to your table. It's unbelievable. If you do get value from today's video, please do consider subscribing, and let's get straight to it. You want to get your candelabra, and we're just going to go around the edge of the rim with the super glue. You don't need to glue the plate, you just need to glue the rim. You then want to grab your plate. You can get a ruler and measure this so you know exactly where the center point is. Me personally, I just go straight for it and like to just do it visually by eye. So all you do is you get your candelabra with the nice glue around the rim and just pop it in the center of your plate, roughly where it looks like it should go. Give it a little tap and leave it alone. You want to now leave your candelabra super glued onto your little saucer for at least 15 minutes before you turn it upside down and we stick the teacup on. It may need longer than that, it really depends on the quality of the glue that you've used. The next step is to take your teacup and we're going to stick it onto the saucer. So to do this, grab your super glue, and all we're going to do is go around the rim of the teacup, only around the rim. Please don't worry if any glue drizzles over the side. This is supposed to be a pleasurable experience. Just enjoy gluing your teacup. The glue will dry invisible. Now, again, don't overthink this. We're going to rotate our teacup and just plonk it in the center, and voila. If you've enjoyed this, then you will love some of my other tutorials, which again show you how to create beautiful things inexpensively to add some magic and playfulness and elegance to your tables. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.